What is dengue fever? Dengue fever is an illness caused by a virus. It can make you very sick. Dengue fever spreads through mosquito bites. Let's learn how you can get dengue and how to stay safe. Dengue fever is an illness caused by a virus. It can make you very sick. Dengue fever spreads through mosquito bites. Let's learn how you can get dengue and how to stay safe. How do you get dengue fever? Mosquito bites. A mosquito with the dengue virus bites you. The virus enters your body. Where are these mosquitoes? Well, they live in warm places. They like to stay near water, like ponds, puddles, or containers with water. So, how can we prevent dengue fever? Preventing dengue fever begins with avoiding mosquito bites. Use insect repellent. Put repellent on your skin to keep mosquitoes away. Look for repellents containing DEET or picaridin. Additionally, wear protective clothing. Wear long sleeves, long pants, and socks to cover your skin. Use mosquito nets. Sleep under a mosquito net to avoid bites at night. To keep mosquitoes away, remove standing water. Empty and clean containers that collect water because mosquitoes lay eggs in water. Keep your home clean. Make sure there are no places for mosquitoes to live and grow. Stay informed. Listen to health warnings. Check the news for any dengue outbreaks in your area. See a doctor if sick. If you feel very sick with a high fever and pain, see a doctor quickly. By following these steps, you can help keep yourself safe from dengue fever. Remember, avoiding mosquito bites and keeping your surroundings clean are very important. Stay safe and healthy.